If you want to get iPhone ringtone on OPPO Reno 15, what you can do is you can go to the Play Store. Now over here at the bottom we can use the search button and then the search field at the top, and you can simply type iPhone ringtone in order to try to find an app that allows you to get an iPhone ringtone. Now in this case you should be able to find many different apps that allow you to get the iPhone ringtone. In my case, I'm gonna choose this one over here. Feel free to try any other app in case you don't like this app, or if you feel like, I don't know, it's not good enough or something. Once we install the app, we're gonna open it. You might see some ads in the meantime, of course, but the app is completely free, or at least it seems that it is. Let's grant all the necessary permissions. There we go. We need to allow the app to change system settings because, of course, the app should be able to change the ringtone. And now over here we can play these example ringtones over here, so you can try to find whichever ringtone you want to set up. Now once you find the ringtone, tap on these three dots here on the right side, and then we can tap on the ringtone option here. And then we should see that we have set the ringtone successfully, so we're gonna press OK. And once we set up the ringtone, we can also check if that is really the case. So we're gonna go to settings, open sound and vibration, and you can, for example, adjust the ringtone volume. And yes, in my case, it actually changed. If in your case it didn't change, you can go to the ringtone settings and then choose on this device, and you should have your ringtone downloaded, so you can select it over here. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.